I think the AI leadership model can't just rely on a single visionary leader. It has to have buy-in from the whole organization. So in many ways, it has to be bottom up, because what we see and read about AI today in the newspapers, on TV, people are a bit scared of what might happen to their jobs or what might happen to their personal data. The sort of traditional leadership model of that sort of lone visionary driving change from the very top just wouldn't work with AI.
Education is the easiest first step. Looking at what other people are doing, coming to an event like this one, and what they will do is broaden your horizon. So, what you can do then is just understand, like, what are people doing? What are the use cases that people are applying AI to? Hopefully you can see the correlations and see how you can apply AI to your organization.